Hello everyone, this is Mark here from the Shading Company out here in Austin, Texas, where we completed the installation of 16 motion screens from Universal Screens. The guys at Universal Screens worked real hard to get these units ready for us in time right before Labor Day. We've been out here all for about 4 or 5 days working. A lot of custom work had to be done, a lot of mortar work for 20 rails. A lot of sealing the area. The customer was looking for buck control, sun control, privacy, and also wanting to control it. Being able to cool the area out with with the sliders right behind in the inside patio there. They can all open, slide open, and they can get AC or heating in there. So they're able to now control their environment with these power shades. These, again, like I said, they were our universal motion screens units powered by Sunfeet RTS motors and Suntex fabric. At the bottom area, there are a total of 10 units, and above the up there's 6 total units. I'm going to show you how these units work. I'm going to go ahead and bring unit 2 down. You can see over there to the left of the stairs how that unit's coming up. The customer can individually operate them, or at the same time we can move over. We paired the next 3 units together. I believe it's channel 14, if I'm not mistaken. There you go. Yeah, for channel 14 you can see the shades coming to the lower limit. Very smooth operation, very nice installation from our team. Again, working very hard to get this project done. I'm going to move over to the inside area so you can see some of the additional units. I'm going to pause it real quick. I'm here in front of unit 3. I'm going to go ahead and raise it so I can access the area. You see we have a unit here. That's unit number 1. We have another unit right here. The customer didn't want to enclose the kitchen, but we have another unit down here and 2 in this corner. We have our electrician completing the connection, but I'm gonna come over here and bring unit 6 down. I'm sorry. You got unit 7 over here. This is our 16 channel, the 16 channel remote from the customer, and unit 8 over there. The customer will be able to individually bring these units down, or all at the same time, or in the sections that they wanted. They paired these 3 up as well. We have a very happy customer. And you're in the market for any interior or exterior shading solutions, please don't hesitate to call us. Again, this is Mark from the Shading Company. Thank you.